In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in Meta Ads Manager 2026. Add money in Facebook Ads Manager, 5 minutes. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Choose the official Meta Business link so you land on the correct dashboard. On that page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in, enter your account credentials, and select Log in to continue. For security, only sign in on trusted devices and avoid sharing your details. Once Ads Manager loads, you'll see the campaign's dashboard. If you manage multiple ad accounts, confirm you're in the right one by checking the account selector at the top. Next, open the menu and choose Billing and Payments. This section is where you control how your ads are paid for, view charges, and add money to your balance. From there, select Payment Settings. This is where your payment methods and billing preferences live. To add funds, choose Add Funds. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions, so check that you have admin or finance access for the ad account. You'll now see your available payment method options. Pick the option that works best for you. Most people use a debit or credit card, but availability can vary by country and account setup. After selecting your method, choose Next. Enter your card details exactly as they appear with your provider, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Make sure the billing address matches your bank records, as mismatches can cause declines. Some banks may send a verification code or place a small temporary authorization. That's normal and usually resolves automatically. When everything looks correct, select Save to add the payment method and finish adding funds. You should see a confirmation that your balance has been updated or that your method was added successfully. If you've set your account to use a prepaid balance, the funds become available for your campaigns right away. If you're on postpaid billing, your card will be charged as your ads run, and you'll see charges accumulate in your billing activity. Before you exit, double check your currency and time zone settings in the account setup, since those affect how budgets and billing thresholds work. Also, review any billing alerts or decline charges in the billing activity tab if something doesn't go through. That's it. You've added money to Meta Ads Manager, and you're ready to keep your campaigns running smoothly.